Christmas cookie platter. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. What we are doing here tonight, my sister is making a cookie platter.
Eating
raspberry
nosa yogurt.
It came ready-made. Elf with the elf. Shake sugar cookie dough and the pumpkin cookie donut and the Christmas tree shaped sugar cookie dough. All these came ready-made, and the snowman cookie dough, and all these came ready-made in the box, and we are going to take them out now, put them on our tray, and then put them in the oven to bake. So this is the process. Easy, breezy, cheesy.
10 minutes.
This will be done in 10 minutes. So your children will love it. It is easy to make and it's very colorful. So go ahead and try it, and I'll be back with the finished product. So we're gonna put the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 10 minutes. Alright, so when we're back, cookies ready. Wow, look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Cookie for your children. It's Christmas. Easy cookie making. Christmas cookie platter.